Traffic impact alert as well. There are more major road closures this weekend that could greatly impact your plans. Jessica Hart has the details.
The sweet sounds of summer hit a different note this time of year.
It just is what it is to me.
Alex Adamodi understands in Minnesota the song of the summer is construction.
It's good that they're working on it, but it's just kind of like feels like they're working on everything all at once, so it makes it hard to navigate.
We definitely have things in place to try to go as fast as we can out here.
Tim Nelson with Minnesota's Department of Transportation knows it's a lot.
My friends, neighbors, we all drive the same routes. We definitely hear the frustrations. I definitely hear them from my family.
The reason behind this summer's frustrating tune is money.
You know, this year you're seeing a little bit bigger projects just because of the Infrastructure Investment Jobs Act, that got passed a few years ago. A lot of that money is coming through now, so we're repairing a lot more of those bridges. We have to use funding by a certain period of time.
So they're working 9 to 5, plus the weekends to move the projects forward. This weekend, portions of Interstate 94 and 35E in St. Paul, along with 694 in the North Metro, will be shut down for repairs. Monday, overnight lane closures will start on I-394 from Penn Avenue to Dunwoody Boulevard. The Easy Pass lanes will shut down all day long from July 28th through November.
I guess it's like a hassle, but I think it's good that they're working on it. It's just like, I wish there was a better way that it could happen.
One that would bring back the quieter sounds of summer.
Tim also tells me they're lumping projects together to avoid future construction. For example, on 94, they're fixing multiple bridges at the same time, which may be an inconvenience now, but it's not stretched over 2 to 3 years. So if you're looking for a way to get around all of this, CC Gaines has the important detours.
You will need to detour this weekend during these projects. For the 694 westbound closure, you can take Highway 10, Highway 610 westbound, and then Highway 169. If you do take 94 eastbound, you can take northbound Highway 280, eastbound Highway 36, and then hop on southbound 35E to get around that closure. And for that 35E northbound closure, you can detour on eastbound 494, hop on to Highway 52 northbound, and then end up on 94 westbound to get back to 35E. Add some time because a lot of people will be taking these detours. Have a safe weekend.